The topic is furan synthesis from aldopentose. Here it is aldopentose, aldehyde pentose sugar. In the presence of acid, this H plus will be attacked by lone pair of electron of oxygen, hydroxyl group. Now we have to see the reaction where the H plus is attached on hydroxyl group and reaction will proceed, the product will form. Here this H plus will attach on this oxygen lone pair. Oxygen now will have 3 valency and therefore plus charge. Now this bond will be broken, carbon oxygen, and electron will be taken by oxygen. H2O will form. This is because electron is going on the oxygen, so plus charge will develop here. Here we are seeing, then here is one hydrogen. This hydrogen will be lost as H plus, and these electrons will be shared between this carbon and this carbon, so double bond will form. Now this compound forms tautomers, ketoenol tautomerism phenomenon will be seen. Here the lone pair of electron of oxygen will be shared between this oxygen and this carbon, and therefore this weak bond, pi bond, will shift on this carbon. Here it will be have negative charge. Just see this carbon oxygen plus double bond, therefore will have plus charge, so this hydrogen will shift on this side, on this carbon, because here electron are coming, negative charge is forming, so this hydrogen is attaching here and double bond is formed between this carbon and this oxygen, ketoenol tautomer. Now next step, H plus, as we saw in previous case, H plus will attach on this oxygen. Now this oxygen will have plus charge because of the valency, the bond will be broken, H2O will be liberated and carbocation will form here. Now this is neutralized by loss of this one hydrogen, electron will be shared and double bond will be formed. Now next step, this lone pair of electron of oxygen will attack on this carbon. This carbon is electron deficient somewhat because there is oxygen connected to it which have more electronegativity, so electron on the oxygen more, so this oxygen will have minus charge. This oxygen attacked on this carbon as shown like this, hydrogen as it is. Now this is 3 valency plus charge, so this bond will be broken, electron will be taken oxygen, this H plus will attach here. So next step, simple structure, this H plus attached here, then H plus in acidic condition, OH is here, again H2O, loss of H2O, this bond will be broken, oxygen will take electron, here will be a plus charge, this plus charge is neutralized by shifting this bond to this side, but here will have plus charge. Now this will be neutralized by loss of this one hydrogen, keeping electron between these 2 carbons, and this way we will have here furan and aldehyde here. This is known as furfural. Distillation of this furfural will produce furan derivative.